Hey, it's Kevin McCarthy and welcome to A Day in Real Estate. I'm out here checking out this house that we're trying to work a deal on. Had an interesting thing happen with it. And it got me thinking about making sure that you are up to date on your insurance and you have the proper coverages in place. So, me and my client came out here to look at this house about a week and a half ago. We tossed it around as a possibility and he decided to make an offer on it and came back to look at it again. And so when we came back to look at it, the house was flooded out. So between the time that we had come and looked at it the first time and the time that we made an offer and came in on it the second time, the house got flooded. This little culprit right here, underneath the sink, busted. Man, I tell you what, make sure you have proper insurance coverage on your house to make sure that if something like this happens, whether your house is sitting vacant like this one, or you're living there, I mean, it could happen when you're on vacation, to make sure that you have the proper coverage so that you're covered if in the event you have a flood in your house like this. And this thing, I mean, it filled the house up. 6 inches of water, sheetrock damage everywhere in here. All the flooring is gone. So now we're in this real conundrum of trying to work out a transaction with all these loose pieces of things flying around, insurance money, how's this work, what's it gonna do? It's a little bit of work, but I think, with a little patience, it'll work out for both the buyer and the seller on this transaction. So, that being said, check your insurance coverage, make sure you're covered really well on everything. I mean, it doesn't make sense to save $75 for the year on insurance and miss out on some important coverage. So just make sure you have everything. And I'm Kevin McCarthy. It's another day in real estate. If you would like some real estate advice, I would be honored to speak with you anytime. There's no such thing as a dumb question. Feel free to reach out to me. Peace.